Welcome guys back to the crazy channel. Yellow Fox Body Guy here, aka Chili Willie, Eastern North Carolina. Y'all like the hat? It's the day before Halloween when this is going down. It's a trunk or treat at the Grease Spot, one of my favorite spots. Got met a lot of nice people here. It's a really good spot. Just come hang out. There's some dinosaurs. Check this out. I'm gonna zoom way in over there for you. Check those guys out. I'm just being silly as always. I think Camaro Man's here. I saw him somewhere. He'll probably show up somewhere. Is that you over there, Camaro Man?
What? I drew the pink Camaro way down yonder. Yeah. All right, I'm here with one of the local legends, Blue Pinto Express. Hopefully that don't mean he drives a Ford. What do you drive, man?
Drive a Ford Mustang.
A Ford Mustang? Oh my gosh. Disappointing.
Wait. Where you at? Where's your car?
See the pink Camaro? I drove the pink Camaro tonight. It's a rental, but I got that. My T-tops on jack stands again. But, you know, I get it picked.
Again.
I get it picked. Yeah, again.
All right.
Appreciate talking to you.
Yeah.
I found me a Camaro. That's what I'm talking about.
20 on the track.
Hey, Scream Man, you about done waxing this here car? Keep on waxing, buddy. Keep on. Wax on, wax off. Woo! All right, I'm here with the owner of the Grease Spot. This here's Steve. What's your last name?
Yulebird.
Ugly Bird. Steve Ugly Bird?
Yep.
He said Steve Uliberg, Uliberger, something. He got a Pontiac LS. They got the LS.
Yep,
Pontiac
LS
company.
too.
That's what a
GTO.
GTO. That thing chopping like Bruce Lee. That thing is out. Appreciate you putting on this stuff for everybody, man. It's good stuff.
No problem.
You have a good night, all right?
You
have
too.
a good Halloween.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to interview Pirates Club?
It's always some good stuff in the cup.
All righty, another pirate. I can dig it. I can dig the pirate.
night, guys. Decent crowd for a Friday night. They usually do better on their Saturday night stuff, but I got some free candy out of the deal. I give away some free candy, so hey, we got kids trunk or treating dressed up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel. God bless you all. Peace.